Mastering phrasal verbs. Wheel around. Hello, language adventurers. Today, we're spinning into the world of phrasal verbs with wheel around. This might seem like a straightforward phrase, but it has nuances that are important for fluent English conversation. So, let's roll into it and get the wheels turning on your English learning journey. When we break it down, wheel refers to a circular object that turns around an axle, and around indicates movement in a circular direction. Literally, wheel around can mean to turn quickly in a circle, often unexpectedly. Imagine a bird suddenly turning in the air or a dancer spinning swiftly on the spot. In everyday speech, wheel around can also take on a more figurative meaning. It's used to describe a sudden change in direction or focus. For example, if someone is walking one way and then suddenly turns to go back, you could say they wheeled around. It's about that quick, decisive change, whether it's physical or metaphorical. Let's see wheel around in action. Here are some examples. The soccer player wheeled around to face the goal before shooting. In the middle of the debate, she wheeled around and presented a counter-argument. Notice how in both cases, there's a sense of a swift pivot or turn. A common mistake is confusing wheel around with just any kind of movement. It's not just turning, it's about that suddenness and swiftness. Also, don't confuse it with wheel about, which can be used interchangeably but is less common in American English. Now, let's practice. Try using wheel around in a sentence of your own. Remember, the key is the element of surprise and rapid change. And that's a wrap on wheel around. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be turning heads with your impressive English skills. Until our next lesson, keep the learning wheel moving.